Alright, welcome back to another video from MBMRC. Before we get too far into today's video, I just want to remind everybody about our contest going on. Basically, you subscribe to our channel. September 1st, if we have 1,000 subscribers, we put your name onto a spreadsheet. One gets picked at random, and we ask that person which old school models kit they want. We ship it to them free of charge, nothing. We buy the kit for them, everything. So, you guys are doing a great job. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of August. 1st September there, so I'd really appreciate that. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. See ya. Here we have Marty filling up his Bill Evans Simitar Series tracer for the first time. At this point, I'm actually not sure whether the tracer video is on our YouTube channel or not. I think it is, but we're gonna get its Maiden. And I think it's gonna be quick.
Where's your electric starter, Kenny?
Is that your final scheme, or are you going to dress it up some? If you,
we'll see what it does.
Go. Maiden pipe, Bill Evans tracer.
Ain't got enough ground clearance.
There it goes. Did you bring the speed gun back, Matthew?
No, I didn't.
You alright?
Yeah. Sounds like it could be winged out some more.
That's really nice. I haven't touched the trim.
Haven't touched the trim, he says. Now, this was kind of his pattern version of a Simitar, wasn't it?
Yeah. Let me get back here a little bit so I can scoot it across the field. Oh, I think my 540 might take it.
What engine's in that, Matthew?
That's got a Dubs Jet Signature Series 40 on it.
Want to try it quick, Matthew?
Just like Bill said, they fly good at slow speeds too.
Not touchy.
Just had a pilot handoff. I'd say that's moving pretty good.
Slow it way down.
Ready?
Yep.
Flight's good.
Wow.
Okay, it's got plenty.
Yeah.
Almost did a loop.
It's definitely a keeper. I gotta get the wind into this situation better.
So you are keeping it then?
All right.
Before the flight, he wasn't so sure of what he was going to do with it if it didn't fare out well for him.
You might have that.
Nice landing. Bill would be proud.
If you have high rates on your elevators, I'd turn them on.
Now you can get those cores from where for these wings?
Eureka has the cores for them.
Okay.
They're a little pricey, but I mean, if you have no way of cutting all the cores, that'd be probably what's better.
Well, there's its first successful flight. What would you give it? Scale of 1 to 10.
It's a 10. It is. Balance is perfect.
Got your big truck tires on it?
Well, yeah, I did that only because I need to extend these. I need to make them longer. They weren't long enough. I need to make that, and that's what I'm going to do. It now that I know that it flies that good.
You probably couldn't put a, nope, I was going to say maybe you could put a steerable nose gear on it, but...
I didn't go real crazy with the trim scheme on it either because I wasn't sure I was going to keep it. So now I might dress it up a bit. It is definitely a really nice airplane.
Might get Tipper out.
Yeah, Tipper might come out of the box.
About how long did it take you to build this?
I don't know, probably a couple days. There ain't much to it.
All this, whenever we was going crazy with building these, we was cutting out wings like nobody's business. We'd have this set of cores out and we'd have another one out and we'd pretty much have the wing done in a day. It didn't take long because we changed methods of gluing the sheeting and cap strips.
Yeah.
But I think I cut the fuselage sides out for this. And I made this piece for him too and shaped it.
Yep.
Yeah. Definitely looks quick.